Hey everyone, welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. Today, we're diving into a business that's not only essential, but also recession-resistant, the coin laundry business. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, starting a laundromat can be a profitable and rewarding opportunity. So, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Research and planning. Before you dive in, you need to understand the industry. Start by researching your local area. Are there enough potential customers? Is there competition? Look for neighborhoods with high-density housing like apartments or dorms, where people are more likely to need laundry services. Also, consider the costs. On average, starting a coin laundry business can cost anywhere from $200,000 to $500,000, depending on the size and location. Create a solid business plan that outlines your budget, target market, and revenue projections. This will be your roadmap to success. Step 2. Choose the right location. Location is everything in this business. Look for a spot with high foot traffic, easy parking, and visibility. Ideally, you want a space that's 1,500 to 2,500 square feet to accommodate your machines and provide a comfortable experience for customers. Pro tip: check the water and electrical requirements for your machines. You'll need a space with the right infrastructure to support heavy-duty washers and dryers. Step 3. Invest in quality equipment. Your machines are the heart of your business, so don't cut corners here. Look for energy-efficient, commercial-grade washers and dryers that can handle heavy use. You can buy new or used, but make sure they're reliable and easy to maintain. Don't forget to add amenities like folding tables, seating, and vending machines for detergent and snacks. A clean, modern, and customer-friendly environment will keep people coming back. Step 4. Handle the legal and financial stuff. First, register your business and obtain the necessary permits and licenses. This might include a business license, health department permits, and zoning approvals. Next, set up a business bank account and consider getting insurance to protect your investment. You'll also want to decide on your pricing strategy. Research what competitors are charging and set competitive rates for your wash and dry cycles. Step 5. Market your business. Once everything's set up, it's time to attract customers. Use social media, local ads, and flyers to spread the word. Offer promotions like a free first wash or discounts for bulk loads. Also, consider adding modern conveniences like card or mobile payments to appeal to tech-savvy customers. Word of mouth is powerful in this industry, so focus on providing excellent service to keep your customers happy and loyal. And that's it. Starting a coin laundry business takes effort, but with the right planning and execution, it can be a steady source of income. Remember, the key is to focus on customer experience, keep your facility clean, and stay on top of maintenance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more business tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Visual upbeat music, visuals of the laundromat with happy customers, and a subscribe button animation.